Welcome to Lake Como, one of Italy's most beloved destinations. Lake Como is known for its dramatic scenery of deep blue waters, surrounding mountains, luxurious villas, and charming towns. Located in northern Italy, nestled in the foothills of the Alps, the lake itself is shaped like an inverted Y, offering endless opportunities to explore its scenic beauty from every angle. In this video, we'll take you on a private boat tour, giving you a unique perspective of this magical place. From the serene waters to the picturesque villages, get ready to experience beautiful Lake Como on a boat tour with us.
Okay, we're leaving our hotel and on a boat tour. Okay, here's our boat for the day. It's so pretty, the water.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Hi.
It's a little shaky. Man, I can't wait. This is one of the most picturesque, just breathtaking places in all of Italy. And the whole world, really.
Are you ready?
Oh yes, can't wait. Looks like it's gonna be a nice day too.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Come in.
Okay,
Okay, this is nice.
what do you think, my love?
I'm so excited to be here. Look how pretty the hotel looks. The water.
What's your idea for today?
This is Villa Sola. Just last week, Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce stayed here. This villa there is where, after the Second World War, Winston Churchill resided. We're getting all sorts of facts on this tour.
We have now arrived at one of Lake Como's most iconic landmarks, Villa Balbianello. Villa Balbianello is renowned for its breathtaking gardens and panoramic views. Built in the late 18th century, this historic villa has hosted explorers, writers, and filmmakers. It has served as the backdrop for some iconic movies including Casino Royale and Star Wars. Today, Villa Balbianello is open to the public, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience its timeless beauty firsthand. From its elegant architecture to its cinematic charm, this villa is a true gem of Lake Como. Next, our tour guide Paulo drove us over to the famous Villa La Casianella. This exclusive property, owned by the CEO of Virgin Airlines, Richard Branson, is known for its unparalleled privacy and luxurious amenities. Its impeccable design and breathtaking views make it one of the most sought-after properties in Lake Como.
And yeah, there's a swimming pool to the back. You can rent at this place. 17 bed.
17 bed.
Yeah, you can arrive just by boat or by foot.
Wow. That is just gorgeous.
So this was a medieval tower where they would check to see if anyone was coming from the Switzerland side or the Milan side on the lake.
So
drove us over to the famous villa owned by George Clooney. Situated in the charming village of Laglio, this 18th century villa has become one of the most talked about properties on Lake Como. The villa is known for its classic Italian architecture with beautiful gardens, a private dock, and gorgeous views of the lake. Ever since Clooney purchased this property in 2002, it's attracted fans and visitors eager to catch a glimpse of the iconic property.
And later when we go there, you can believe it. It's an amazing place.
So this is Casa l'Acqua. The best hotel in the world.
And you can see where there's a wall. It's still part of Casa l'Acqua. Down, there's more part of there's a private villa on the Casa l'Acqua.
Okay.
And we go closer to the pier and we go outside. And our neighbor of the villa is the booking.com owner.
Really?
Villa.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Was my client on the club of ski. Every week, every summer they are clients of ours.
Wow, very cool.
You know, the family.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can dine and spend the perfect.
How does it compare to Deer Creek?
Celebrate and have some fun.
Oh, really?
Tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again.
Okay.
We're living la dolce vita.
La Dolce Vita.
Erica's
The meaning of Dolce Vita.
the sweet
Sweet
life.
life.
Yes. Where's, oh, that's the water. It's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Maybe a little colder than what we're used to.
No, I don't think so. It's the house of Versace. And that is the chapel that Gianni Versace was at once.
For 2 years.
For 2 years.
Before someone tried to kidnap him. The rest of him.
Wow.
Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can dine and spend up all our I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times.
Lake Como.
Lake Como. So gorgeous. I love it here.
Like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people
So pretty here.
We love it. We're having so much fun.
Rich people dreaming.
We just jumped in and the water was so refreshing. A little cold this time of year, but just what we needed.
So raise your toast
Great.
for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Like that where I was before.
So Paolo also teaches skiing and wakeboarding lessons, and this is another place that he works. We're saying hi to coworkers.
Now you can see
So that is the oldest church of the
the
lake.
white tent there. You can see there's a blue flag. That's a restaurant, a typical cuisine food, rice and fish, fish from the lake. It's the same menu all the time. You pay the same price. The wine, dessert, coffee, and the different dish first as an aperitif. Wait a second, I just turn, and I can show you better from the bridge. That's the waterfall. Wait a second, turn. That's this man with the boat there.
Is it deep enough to jump off?
Yeah, 700 meters.
Wow.
Okay, so should I jump in and swim
Yeah.
the stairs?
Go now, there's a boat. Sì, perché si lancia e gli fa la foto. Grazie. Dammi un secondo.
Look at that waterfall.
All right.
Come to me. Now, here.
Yeah, so pretty. Wow.
Private deck of Riva Yacht Club.
Wow.
So what do you think?
The Gucci house. Stunning.
When they did the
Yeah, I remember
Lady
that.
Gaga was there.
Yeah.
That's a public.
So gorgeous. I am loving this.
If you're planning a trip to Lake Como, we highly recommend taking a boat tour. It's truly the best way to experience the beauty of Lake Como up close. We booked our tour through the concierge at the Grand Hotel Tramezzo, and it was a fantastic experience from start to finish. If you decide to book a tour with them, be sure to ask for Paolo. He was an incredible guide, born and raised on Lake Como, and he shared so many fascinating facts and hidden gems that we would have missed without his local knowledge. He made our tour unforgettable, and we can't recommend him enough. And as always, thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned for our next video of our full trip to Lake Como.